lisensyado sila para kasalin, ha? Wala nang gulat. Original yan. With license number 49, 65. Tama pa ka tayo. So, ang pizza ng kasal today, October 16, 2021. Sa parents ng bride, ano ng hapon? Parents ng groom, tama, parents ng groom, parents ng bride. So, witness, dahil sa mga ulit pipirma sa dokumento ito, pag wala kayo hindi mo naman. So, dahil wala ko ito, bride and groom, kayo lang. Stand up. Move your chair backward. Okay. Bago tayo mag-start, yung pipirmahan natin ay certificate of marriage. Patunay na kayo ay kasal. Dati itong marriage contract, binago ng gobyerno. So ngayon wala ng kontrata at habang buhay. Sa pangalan ng group, Adrian, tama? The bride is? Ano dahilan bako mo sa pagkakasalan? Nakasal na lang natin, ha? So, narinig nyo. Legal age na. So, magpakasal sila. Nagdagan ko dahil nagmamahalan kayo. Papalampang na malakas. Tayo! Okay, everybody, please stand up. Yung sympathize with us. Tayo po kayo lahat. Parents, guests, may camera. Ito ay civil wedding. Taas yung kanang kamay. Yan. Masayang bride, malungkot ng guro. Camera start. Now groom before the presence of the witnesses ang kasal sa simbahan till death do us part ng linig. Sipali sa civil wedding, permanent union of the husband and wife. Groom to take his bride to become the lawful wife and to solemnly promise before God and his witnesses. Bride is saying, tinatanggap ko ang groom na maging tunay at legal ng asawa sa harap ng mga witnesses. So that is acceptance. Harap yung dalawa. Pawang kamay. Dahil kanina, hirap ng groom ang salita. Ay, pakinggan natin. Tingnan mo, bride. Groom, what is your promise to the bride? Posible kung wala pa rin. How about the bride?
I promise you.
Now, after the promises, groom. Tingnan mong bride, sumunod ka sa akin, paano pa ito? Sabi ko, ako si? Pangalan mo, sir? Tinatanggap kita. Pangalan niya. Sa harapan ng solemnizing officer, upang maging aking asawa at aking pinapangako sa harap ng Diyos at itong mga saksi na ako'y maging maghiliw at tapat na asawa sa kasaganaan, sa pangangailangan, sa kalakasan at kalungkutan, sa karamdaman at kalusugan. Samantalang tayong dalawa ay namumuhay. Now, bride's English marriage vow, I, your name, accept you. Before the solemnizing officers, to be my husband. And I promise, and to make covenant in front of God and and these witnesses that I will become lovable, faithful, white, in abundance, in need, in strength, in sorrow, in sickness, and in health. Till death do us part. Tandaan mo ang pinagsasabi nyo, ha? I give this ring to you. Repeat.
I give this ring to you.
Mention the ring as a symbol of my endless love. I give this ring to you. Mention the ring as a symbol of my endless love. Hindi nyo nakinig yan, ha? Wala nakita. Pasalamat kayo sa inyong magulang sa mga ninotina para bigyan kayo ng regalo. O sa mga tao nagmamahal sa inyo, okay, unahin muna natin yung prize kasi kabalong bro. Say something a word of thanksgiving.
Thank you everyone, my mama, papa, my sisters, and my relatives, our guests and friends for coming here tonight. And we're not gonna be doing this and dito magpapalabas yung grand celebration na to here with us and are so happy and thankful of nilagin.
Malakpak sa bride.
For my parents, friends, and everyone, thank you for supporting our relation. I'll see that all of you are here.
Nahuli yung microphone. Sige, malakpak na lang. Okay, holding hands. I-declare ko. Holding hands, tingin na kayo dalawa. Huwag na tumingin si Bat. Now, parents and witness, sasangkan ng kamay. Camera, final declaration. Republic of the Philippines, Office of the Civil Registrar General, Certificate of Marriage, as solemnizing officer now by the power and authority vested upon me, according to the laws Republic of the Philippines, looking into heaven for the divine sanction, I pronounce you husband and wife. Good, Rian? Isisadong halika, isang oras. She's the bride, palakpak ko. Go! Isa pa. Palakpak naman ko. Okay, mag-bless kayo sa parents. Mag-bless kayo. Sit down, music.